Aerial?
Opo, Ariel.
Bakit aerial?
Truck.
Can it fly? Ha?
Hindi, aerial truck.
Aerial, pag sinabing
Ladder
aerial, I
truck.
know.
No problem po.
Can
Ladder
fly. Oh, so
Ladder
it's
truck.
features yan. Oh, na-extend ba yan? Na-up? Uy, ang galing naman. Ang galing. Can you turn it around pa? Ay, may parts din. Meron din siya.
May wrench.
May equipment din. Oh, may compartments.
Opo, may content.
Oh. Tapos, pang fix for emergency. Okay, that's nice. And then, I'll just read you the front. Can you see more? Can you show it more? Okay. So, nice.
Wait lang. Balik ko lang yung wiper.
Balik mo yung wrench. Where is it? Sa compartment. Saan ang wrench nakalagay? Wala ang wrench. Oh, okay lang. Just put one. Oh, there's the other one.
Opo, narinig po.
Okay. And then, cover it. That's fine, that's fine. Just have to cover it. Nice. Ang galing naman. Okay. Another spin. Let me video it. Enough. So nice.